You open it every day, but it's fighting gravity to stay open. Here's the invisible physics holding your workflow together. Torsion springs. Coiled wire storing potential energy. Twist it and it screams for equilibrium. That's torque. And your hinge is basically a tiny mechanical hostage situation. Solve the torque problem. Great. Now watch the center of gravity shift. Move your mouse 1 inch left and the entire mass distribution rebels. The lid wants to snap shut. Physics does not care about your spreadsheet. Enter friction damping. Rubber rings squeezing against metal knuckles. Surface area creates drag. You trade smooth rotation for stubborn resistance. It's the engineering equivalent of duct tape on a Ferrari. But drag is useless without structural integrity. Hinge knuckles take bending moments and shear forces. Cheap brands use stamped plastic. We use machined aluminum. One is a toy. The other is a load-bearing spine. Let's address the elephant in the room. Friction hinges versus torsion springs. I know the friction camp thinks they're minimalist. They're not. They're just lazy. If your lid flops like a dead fish, that's not design. That's a skill issue. You think you designed it loose on purpose, please. Thermal expansion changes tolerances. Heat makes metal expand. Your spring loses bite. Summer breaks your hinge. Winter makes it crack. Physics is a cruel landlord. So how do manufacturers survive? Tight CNC machining, sub-millimeter precision. They stamp out parts for $19.95. You pay for $2,000 of precision. The hinge is the only thing that actually justifies the markup. Precision dies at cycle count. Open and close. Open and close. Plastic creeps. Metal fatigues. Around 20,000 cycles, the spring forgets its original shape. Your laptop becomes a doorstop. Entropy always wins. Modern engineers are fighting back. Magnetic detents. Zero gravity sliders. Counterbalance weights. They're trying to cheat the equation. It's clever. It's also expensive. And frankly, a little over-engineered. Stop scrolling. Look at your hinge. It's a masterpiece of applied mechanics. Tension, friction, mass, stress, all working in silent harmony. We walk around on gravity and ignore the miracles in our bags. Your hinge type says everything. Torsion purists, flex. Friction users, fix your design. Drop your laptop model and hinge style in the comments. Let's argue about torque until the algorithm buries us.